smile and humility. He will reciprocate with such gentle softness, politeness, and care that it will leave you astonished, if not shocked. But mind you, if you in any way provoke him, that I have faced such wrath of this bear many times. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, the experience was not pleasant. As a judge sharing the bench with Justice Qazi Faez Isa, I have learnt a lot. Where many like me would keep quiet and feel shy to openly admit that they are not clear about legal proposition, Justice Qazi Faez Isa openly admitted that he would require the assistance of the worthy counsel. But when it came to the rights of women, and more particularly cases relating to their inheritance, Justice Qazi Faez Isa would leave no bounds to ensure the preservation of their rights, and that too with the full might of the court. On a lighter note, while sharing the bench with Justice Qazi Faez Isa during the first half of the court proceedings, I often felt sorry for those across the roster, and at times had to salvage them from total devastation. But as the clock ticked past the half hour, the mood would change, and we would have a compassionate listening judge who sat through the day till the last case on the cause list was heard and decided. But I must acknowledge that while sharing the bench with Justice Qazi Faez Isa on many occasions, we had differences. But let me tell you, he was always ready to hear my point of view and was open to persuasion, a characteristic which very few possess, and one must strive to inculcate in ourselves. Now to my commitment, sir. This is a formal announcement that the farewell lunch today hosted by us in honor of Justice Qazi Faez Isa is not on government expense. He's been cruel. He has imposed the entire expenses on me. However, I have requested my brother judges to share the brunt. So we are going to share the brunt. But we wanted to host a lunch for Qazi Saab, and he was adamantly, stubbornly, he was in no mood to accept it. Finally, when we said we're going to commit ourselves, he has agreed. Now, as for what lies ahead, let me assure all that with the blessings of Allah Almighty, for the citizens of Pakistan, rule of law shall rule. Principles of trichotomy of power shall prevail. Dignity of a judge and majesty of the court shall be strictly ensured, be it a civil judge sitting in Boni Chitral or my brother judge sitting next to me today.